Good morning, student. How are you? Beta, now it's time for your moral class. And in previous class, we have read the chapter which is lesson 5, generous nature. And we have also learned what is the basic meaning or basic moral of the story. Now it's time for your exercises. So today I'm giving you the solution of the exercises, and today is the enough for this. So in this class we will complete our book work, and the book work which is only exercises. In the next video, we will start our question answer, and in the next video, we will complete our question answer too. Now, question number 1 is tick the correct answer. Now, I am reading the question and you just match your answer with your book. So, for this, you have to take out your book and watch the video as well as see the book also. So question number 1 is Nancy was a little girl. Nancy was a little girl or boy or see cat. So we have learned na beta. Question number 1, the answer is A, girl. Nancy was a little girl. And in the second, earlier Nancy made her living by. So in earlier, Nancy made her living by dancing, singing, begging. Which one? The answer is C, which is begging. And question number 3 is later Nancy used to sell flowers to earn or basket to earn money or seed toffees to earn money. So as you know, later Nancy used to sell flowers. Okay. So your A answer is correct. Question number 4 is Nancy was very poor. Nancy was very poor, rich or old. So question number B is our correct answer, which is poor. Nancy was very poor na beta, that's why. Now question number 2 is write true for true and F for false. Nancy was very rich. So as you know, Nancy was really very poor. So you can write F for true statement and T for true statement and F for false statement. So question number first answer is false, and here you can write F for false. And the second question is an old lady gave seeds to Nancy. So old lady gave seeds to Nancy na beta, nothing else. So this is our correct answer and it is true. So you can write here T. Nancy set up her own flower shop. Later you know very well at the last moment Nancy set up her own flower shop. So this is true statement. So you can write here T. Now fourth one is Nancy never begged again. And you know very well, whenever Nancy set up her own flower shop, there is no need to begging. So this statement is correct and you can write here T. Now we will leave this question answer term and come to the life skills. In page number 27, you can see what will you do in the following situation. Take the correct option. You have to tick the correct option. So for first, you go to park to play. Some children are plucking flowers from rose plant. What will you go? So whenever you go to a park for playing and some students or children are plucking the flowers, and if they are rose plant, it can be any plant, but the children are plucking the flowers. What will you do? Then what thing you should do? First one is join them. Second one is try to stop them. And you know very well beta, join them is very bad manner. So you should try to stop them. So B answer is correct. So just put the tick sign. Now second one is in your neighborhood there live two boys. They are throwing stones at a cat and laughing. What will you do? Now, what will you do when in your neighborhood there are two boys and they are throwing stones for teasing cats and laughing also? So this is very mannerful or many very mannerless. So A is join them and throw stones at the cat, and B is try to make understand them and that we should not tease animals. So here you can see, you just try to make understand that this is not good and teasing animal is very bad thing. So our B option is correct. So you here you can put the tick sign. Now let's do something. This is just as a activity terms. So in question, write any 3 food items you get from plants. So you have to tell 3 items which you can get from the plants. So in A you can write here fruits. The spelling of fruits is F-R-U-I-T-S, as you know. And B is grains. It can be also get from the plants. So G-R-A-I-N-S, grains. And C one is vegetables, and you know very well vegetables are very healthy for us, so you can eat, as well as you can write here vegetable spelling is V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Now this question is completed. Come to the next, and this is the last one. Here are few things which are gifts but they got mixed up with other items. Okay, few things are given. I hope 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items are given and they are gifts. Gifts means you can make it, but they got mixed up with other items. Now they have changed in another item. Can you identify it and name them? Can you choose them? And also you have to tell the name also. Circle the things which you get from nature. And just second question is circle the things which you get from nature. You have to circle these items which you are getting from the nature directly. So in the first picture there are some flowers, so we have to circle it because this is our natural product. And the second one is bucket. This is not the natural product, but we can make it. So here you will write name bucket, B-U-C-K-E-T. And the third one is peacock. This is also, it is a living thing, so it can be get from the, it can be not, it is getting from the peacock from the nature. The next one is radish, and it is also our vegetable, so it is also get from the nature. Now the fifth one is chair. Chair is not getting from the nature, it is made by the man. So this one is chair. The spelling of chair is C-H-A-I-R, chair. The next one is building. As you know very well, it is not found in the directly from the nature, so we just people make him building. So here we will write building, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, building. Now the seventh one is soap. As you can see, we can get soap from the shop. Here we just give the money and can get soap from the shop. So soap is not our natural product, it is made by man. So spelling of soap is S-O-A-P, soap. And the last one is a sun, S-U-N, sun. And as you know very well, this is our basic need or basic living product. So sun is, you have to circle the sun. Now your exercises of this chapter is completed, and now what you have to do, you just complete your book, and after that try to learn every lines, every answer of the statement. This is very beneficial for your learning process. And after that, in the next video we will complete our question answer. So just till the time, stay home, be safe beta. Bye.